Hey y'all, welcome to Child's Cuisines. Today we're making homemade chili. So for our homemade chili, we're going to start by chopping up some onions. I use one medium-sized onion. You can use a small one, but I prefer about a medium size to give it some more flavor. Now once we're done chopping up this onion, we're just going to put that to the side, and then we're going to move on and chop up some garlic. Now I like my garlic pretty fine and minced. You can chop it up any way you like. Now once that's chopped up, put that to the side. In a preheated pan, we're going to go ahead and saute some onions. Now after about 1 minute, I'm just releasing all those flavors from the onion. I'm going to go ahead and add in some ground beef. Mine was still a little frozen, but that's okay. It will thaw out as it's cooking. Just going to chop that up very well before we go ahead and move on. Now, when you chop up all the meat, go ahead and mix it up with the onions and let that cook together and let those flavors just absorb. Continue to let your meat cook until it's fully cooked. Now in a crock pot, I'm just using a liner. I love these little liners. I'm gonna go ahead and add my ground beef and onions. And I also added my garlic as it was cooking in the pan. I have my crock pot set on high. I'm going ahead and add some tomato sauce. Next, we're going to add some diced tomatoes. And then I'm going to add some more tomato sauce. I like two different kind of tomato sauces because one is a little darker, which I love. It gives it that chili look, you know. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my chili beans. Excuse that. I'm going to add some peppers in there. Sometimes they come in the tomato mix. You can use that if you prefer. Now I'm going to season this up. I will have these ingredients listed down below, and including all my seasonings. Just a little bit of cumin powder, chili powder, of course, garlic powder, rosemary, some onion powder, salt to taste, of course. Now I'm adding in some beef broth. You can add as much as you like, but I just add in a little bit. Going to give that a quick stir. Now, like I said, salt to your taste. So as it's cooking, towards the end, just add some more seasoning. So I cooked this for about 5 to 6 hours on high. It will take a little longer if you're going to cook it on low.
If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.